If you're trying to clear your criminal record, you've probably heard about writing an expungement letter. And yes, this letter can absolutely make a difference. In this video, I'll break down exactly what to say, what to avoid, and how to structure a letter that gives you the best shot at success, based on what works in real California courtrooms. A lot of people think that expungement form is enough, but judges just don't want paperwork. They want to know who you are, where you've been, and how you've grown since the conviction. This letter gives you the chance to tell your story in your own words. Done right, it can tip the scales in your favor. Keep it short. The most effective letters follow a simple 3-paragraph structure. The first paragraph, explain who you were and what happened. In other words, own it. Something like, at the time I was a college student dealing with a lot of stress. I made a poor decision that led to briefly this set of circumstances, and I take full responsibility for my actions. No excuses, just clarity and accountability. The second paragraph, talk about what you've learned and how you've grown in the process. Mention things like counseling, rehab, education, community work, anything that shows real change. If you're at a loss, you can refer to the classes and what you talked about in your classes. Sometimes the classes give you tools on how to deal with anxiety or stress, how to manage alcohol. Paragraph 3. Explain how expungement will help you today. Talk about your current job, family, or goals, and how clearing your record will remove a barrier and let you move forward. There are common mistakes to avoid. Don't ramble. Stick to the 3 focus paragraphs. Don't blame others. Own your part. And don't be vague. Show real specific growth. Judges read a lot of these. The letters that stand out are honest, humble, and clear. Questions I get a lot. Should I address it to a specific judge? And the answer to this is your honor is fine. To whom it concerned also works. What matters most is your message. Another question I ask is typed or written. I always say type it, date it, and sign. No need for notarization. What if you have multiple convictions? If they're related, you can use one letter. If they're totally different, like a DUI and a theft, write separate letters to address each one. The next question is, can someone else write one too? The answer to this is yes. Letters from employers or mentors can help, but they don't replace your own voice. You must write your own. The letters from other people can count as character reference, with people vouching on your own behalf. The next question is, how personal is too personal? The answer to this is be real. Talk about what changed you. Emotion is okay. It shows the judge you're human, not just a file number. An expungement letter is your chance to speak directly to the court. Done right, it shows growth, maturity, and a sincere desire to move forward. If you want help reviewing your letter or following an expungement paperwork the right way, reach out to our office. We help people like you take back control of your future.